Welcome to Biotechnology. Now our topic microbial diversity, bacteria. Definition: bacteria are single-celled prokaryotic microorganisms that exist in diverse environments and exhibit a wide range of shapes, metabolic activities and ecological roles. 2. Bacterial classification. Shape. Bacteria can be classified based on their shape. Cocci, spherical bacteria. Example, Staphylococcus and Streptococcus. Bacilli, rod-shaped bacteria. Example, Escherichia coli and Bacillus. Spirilla, spiral-shaped bacteria. Example, Spirillum. Vibrio, coma-shaped bacteria. Example, Vibrio cholerae. Gram staining. Based on cell wall composition, bacteria are classified into gram-positive bacteria. Have thick peptidoglycan cell walls and retain the crystal violet stain. Example, Staphylococcus aureus, Bacillus subtilis. Gram-negative bacteria have thin peptidoglycan cell walls and an outer membrane. Do not retain the crystal violet stain. Example, Escherichia coli and Salmonella. 3. Bacterial cell structure. 1. Cell wall. Provides structural support and shape. Composed of peptidoglycan bacteria. Plasma membrane. A phospholipid bilayer that controls the movement of substances into and out of the cell. Cytoplasm. Gel-like substance inside the cell containing enzymes, nutrients and genetic material. Ribosomes. Site of protein synthesis. Nucleoid. Region where the bacterial chromosome DNA is located. Plasmids, small circular DNA molecules that can replicate independently and carry genes for antibiotic resistance, virulence, and metabolism. Flagella, tail-like structure used for movement. Pillae, hair-like appendages used for attachment and genetic exchange, that is conjugation. Capsule, a protective outer layer that enhances the ability to cause disease and prevents desiccation. 4. Bacterial metabolism. Autotrophs, bacteria that produce their own food from inorganic substances. Photoautotrophs use sunlight for energy and carbon dioxide for carbon. Example, cyanobacteria. Chemoautotrophs obtain energy from chemical reactions involving inorganic molecules. Example, nitromonas. Heterotrophs, bacteria that obtain food by consuming organic matter. Saprophytes decompose dead organic material. Example, Bacillus subtilis. Parasites obtain nutrients from a living host, often causing harm. Example, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Symbionts live in close association with another organism for mutual benefit. Example, Rhizobium in legume root nodules. 6. Bacterial roles in ecosystem. Decomposers break down dead organic matter, recycling nutrients. Example, Bacillus pseudomonas. Nitrogen fixation. Convert atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia, a form usable by plants. Example, Rhizobium acetobacter. Photosynthesis. Convert light energy into chemical energy, producing oxygen. Example, cyanobacteria. 7. Pathogenic bacteria. Bacteria that cause disease in humans, animals or plants. Mycobacterium tuberculosis cause tuberculosis. Streptococcus pneumoniae cause pneumonia. Escherichia coli, certain strains cause food poisoning. Salmonella cause salmonellosis. 8. Antibiotics and resistance. Antibiotics, drugs that kill or inhibit the growth of bacteria. Example, penicillin tetracycline. Antibiotic resistance, the ability of bacteria to withstand the effects of antibiotics, often due to the misuse or overuse of these drugs. Resistance can spread through plasmid exchange. 9. Industrial and biotechnological applications. Fermentation used in the production of food and beverages. Example, Lactobacillus in yogurt, Saccharomyces cerevisiae in bread and alcohol. Bioremediation, use of bacteria to clean up environmental pollutants. Example, Pseudomonas in oil spill degradation. Genetic engineering, use of bacteria in recombinant DNA technology to produce insulin, growth hormones and other biopharmaceuticals. Thank you.